Violet. Set traction control to street.
Traction control mode set to street.
Violet. Status check.
Battery at 87%. Estimated range 162 kilometers. Ballistic mode ready. Ignition systems online.
Violet. Navigate me to Los Angeles International Airport.
Navigating to Los Angeles International Airport.
Violet. How was my last ride?
You rode 47 kilometers in 42 minutes. Average efficiency 6.2 kilometers per kilowatt hour. You also hit your best acceleration yet, 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. That's jet level performance.